Hi, this is Rick Pedley, and welcome to PK Safety. Today we're going to be talking about the RKI GX-2009. This is a 4-gas detector, very popular with our customers, owing in large part to its small size and lightweight. Easy to wear on your collar of your coveralls or the harness that you're wearing, anything like that. It keeps it near the breathing zone, which is where we'd like to have it. This thing has the standard complement of detectors, sensors in it, the oxygen, LEL, hydrogen sulfide, and carbon monoxide. It has all the alarms you expect, the vibrating and the loud siren, and the flashing LED lights. The display is going at all times, so you see all 4 gases and can read them in whatever range they're supposed to be for OSHA regulations. It's rechargeable and comes complete with the charger the way we sell it, so you're ready to go. Calibration every 180 days is standard. We sell the calibration materials if you like that as well, or we can do that for you. RKI, they pioneered these small sensors. The 4 sensors in this one instrument is quite remarkable. If you'd like to learn more about this or any other product that we sell, please give us a call or visit us online at pksafety.com. Thank you.